Hello everyone, myself Shanvi and I'm working as a backend developer in Lexmetech System Private Limited. I'm holding up to 1.5 years of experience in backend development using the technology Node.js, MongoDB, Express.js and AWS. So today we'll be discussing what is backend development, how it plays a very crucial role while developing a software, and how the technologies like MongoDB, Node.js, Express.js that works all together. So basically we will be focusing regarding MERN Stack and its role in backend. So first we will come to backend development. We will get to know about it. So what is backend development? It's basically all about the behind the scene work of a software development. Basically what users see is refers to front end, but what actually happen in behind the scene and what actually make it workable, a functional development software, that is completely up to backend. And while developing in backend, we need to ensure such steps like API creation, database management and database design, field design, also server-side validation and authentication, authorization also, which plays a very crucial role. Apart from that, we need to ensure consistent monitoring and logging of the all API request responses, and also the data encryption, because user security matters the most. While we are keeping the user's data, there is our responsibility to keep it secure, and we should protect our data from all sort of cyber attacks as well. So while we are doing a backend development, we need to ensure that we are completing this part very efficiently. So now coming to MERN Stack. In MERN Stack, while in the backend section we have MongoDB, which is a database basically, Node.js, which is a JavaScript runtime environment, and Express.js, which is a very fast and portable web framework and goes very well with Node.js. So while coming to Node.js, it is a JavaScript runtime environment that runs on server side. As we know that JavaScript basically run on browser side, but using Node.js we are able to run the JavaScript in backend side or in server side as well. And by doing this, we can do multiple kind of operations like creating HTTP modules, servers, handling requests, responses, we can talk with our database, retrieve data, do all sort of data operations as well, write or read file systems, enable our users security, their data security as well. So I would like to emphasize a few points here, that NPM, which is known as Node Package Manager, it plays a very high, it is like you can say a very crucial point in Node.js, because it provides us a millions of modules that we will be using in our backend development, and making it easy to develop a backend side of a project. So some example like we can take Backend.js, Express Validator, Cluster, String Similarity, and there are much more also. JSON Web Token also, it's used very widely for token-based authentication. And then we'll be coming to Express.js. Express.js is basically a very fast and portable yet lightweight framework. It has all those things that we need to use or need to develop a very good and fast software application, whether it be web or a mobile application. And it helps us to create route using different sort of methods like post and put and get and delete, and there are other sort of methods as well. So apart from that, it provides us middleware, and also it provides error handling Also we can do custom middleware too as per our project requirement, and this goes very well with Node.js. And then coming to MongoDB, it is a database. It's a NoSQL irrelational database. Why we saying that it's irrelational? Because here we can combine different fields that not even like fixed into a exact collection. Also we can add them. Suppose I have a document regarding a teacher, and now I want to add any sort of different field which is not previously added there. Here I can do that. So it means there is no fixed schema or fixed field structure here. So this MongoDB is very useful for those kind of application where we are needing a much data structure changes. And apart from that, MongoDB provides us so much good features like shading and replica set, high availability of data, and as well as due to its while it's focused completely on different kind of data structures modification, it allow to modify the data structure anytime that we want. So it while using MongoDB, we can create like real-time analysis application, whether it can be web or mobile applications, and also streaming services, and these kind of IoT regarding applications also. So while combining these three, MongoDB, Node.js and Express.js, this is perfectly for MVPs and startups. And while coming to software products, combining these three, we can make different kind of software products. Basically this is much more efficient while doing kind of real-time analysis applications, streaming services, task scheduling applications, and it goes very well with microservice architecture as well. So this is a quick overview about what is backend development and how we are using MERN Stack in backend development, and that's all. Thank you.